Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Open Visual Studio or VS Code and pick the Python interpreter you intend to use. Create or open the project folder and add a main Py file so you have an entry point. Once done, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates packages. Make sure pip works and that the IDE shows the same interpreter, because mismatched Python versions will cause import errors later. Next, you configure how the code runs. Set main Py as the startup file and confirm the working directory matches your project root. In run or launch settings, add command line arguments and any environment variables you need. This ensures consistent behavior across runs. Install required packages into the virtual environment using pip install r requirements. TXT or individual pip commands so imports succeed. Once configured, the IDE. Finally, run your script with the run or start debugging command and watch output in the integrated terminal. Use breakpoints and step through debugging to inspect variables and control flow. This helps you find logic errors quickly. If you see tracebacks, read the stack trace to pinpoint the failing line and adjust code or configuration. If imports fail, make sure the virtual environment is activated, the correct interpreter is selected, and required packages are installed. This single check resolves most runtime problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.